This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change BMW X5 interior lights. Easy method. Start by gathering a T10 bulb, plastic trim tool, and gloves, then park on level ground and open doors. Remove trim gently using the tool to avoid scratching panels, and keep track of clips and screws in a small container. Pry lights out carefully, swap bulbs while avoiding skin oils, then test lighting before reassembly to confirm success. In this video, I will show how to change BMW X5 interior lights. Easy method. First, use a plastic trim tool to lift the dome light cover just enough to expose the bulb, keeping clips intact. Remove the old bulb by pulling it straight out. Avoid touching the new bulb glass with bare fingers. Insert the replacement snugly, test the light operation with the door open, and then reattach the cover until it clicks back into place securely. In this video, I will show how to change BMW X5 interior lights. Easy method. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which offers voice control and hands-off floor care so you stay focused on car projects. It picks up debris while you swap bulbs and keeps your garage tidy, making it a surprisingly handy helper. If you like this tip, check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to change BMW X5 interior lights. Easy method. If a new bulb does not light, check the socket for corrosion or bent contacts and clean carefully. Replace both cabin bulbs if colors or brightness differ, and choose LED options rated for 12V with proper polarity to avoid flicker. Secure all wiring, recheck door switches, and always test lights before finishing to ensure consistent interior illumination.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.